Control, the livestock transport is approaching Gate 1. ETA 3 minutes to the unloading bay.
Look at the intake data here. Everything is operating within the green parameters. Cleanliness is exemplary.
Agreed. The new system is performing well.
Okay, all checks passed for the Longhorns. Good, market is completed in the system.
Heart and lungs sound healthy. Did you log the eye exam results?
Temperature is steady at 101.5. Heart rate looks good on the scope.
We have the full shipment of the brown leather here.
Okay, I'm starting the quality check now. The texture is perfect.
I found a slight inconsistency on this hide.
Good catch. The rest of the premium grade is approved.
The insulation layers are optimized and the stitching layout is finalized. It passed all simulations. Perfect. Approved. Let's get the production schedule up.
The insulation quality looks excellent on these panels.
Yes, the fleece consistency is perfect. We can approve this batch.
The alignment is precise here, Supervisor. Yes, that meets the quality standard. You can begin cutting.
Workers ensure accurate sizing, and supervisors verify the thickness and quality of the insulation layers.
The reinforced seams are perfect. Well done, keep it up.
Ensure the loft is consistent along this seam right here. Yeah.
We've secured the edges tightly. It meets the winter standard.
Looks good. Approved for the next stage.
Quality check passed. Move these to packing now. The symmetry and structure are excellent. Approved.
Thank you, Supervisor.
Everything looks good. This batch is approved for shipping. Presentation quality is excellent. We are ready for shipment.
The quality checks look good on all counts.
Excellent work. We are ready for export.
Excellent job. Standards met.
I just finished this batch. Could you verify the balance? Looks good. The consistency is spot on. Keep up the pace.
The detail work here is exquisite, very well done.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
The alignment is perfect on this batch. Keep up the good work.
This surface quality is exceptional. You've done a wonderful job.
Yeah.
Truly premium.
These 40 pieces are cleared for the next stage.
Excellent work. I'll sign off on these now.
Excellent work, team. Everything is perfect. We are ready for global distribution.